guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we talk about designing using the different designing software, introducing you to new and amazing designing software which you can use for designing your creations, your projects, your art, whatever you want to do. In today's video, we will going to go over to the Vistacreate mobile application. Now, if you don't know what exactly is the Vistacreate, I've already made 2 videos talking about the Vistacreate. I'm going to leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to check it out. In today's video, we will going to go over to the Vistacreate mobile application, and we will going to use that application for creating a pattern on the Vistacreate mobile application. It's so simple, so easy, anyone can do it, and you can use this pattern to sell on your print-on-demand website as a print-on-demand seller, or use it for your own projects, your to-do a schedule, whatever you want to do with that pattern, you can do it. So I'm going to be diving into the Vistacreate mobile application, and I'm going to share my screen over here so you guys can follow along the process what exactly I'm doing that. So let's dive in. Before we go back, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, because we upload video every single week. Do so, you're gonna get notified about it. If you are a creative person, an artist looking forward to make money online, I have my other channel where I talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist, as a designer. Make sure you check it out, the channel. I'm going to leave the channel link in the description box below. You can check it out. Also, if you want to grab the free patterns, free textures, and free designs and graphics, make sure you check our website, theglobalcreative.com. We have a lot of the freebies in the freebie section, and also we have the bundles as well. If you're looking forward towards a one, make sure you grab the freebies from our website. The link is in description box below. Let's dive into the Vistacreate application. Kind of like an alternative to the Canva. If you're really looking forward for a great, amazing alternative for the Canva, that I think that this one is probably for you. So guys, you're gonna see such kind of home screen appears when you're gonna actually go over to your Vistacreate mobile application. You can download it from the Google Play Store, and if you are an iPhone user, then you can very well download it from the iTunes Store, and this will going to look like when you're gonna go over to the page. You're gonna see a lot of the templates are there which you can use it for creating your projects. You can see your My Project option or inspiration. Now for the My Project, obviously you need to log in. You can very well go forward and log in using, if I click over to the login option, you can see you can log in via email. You can continue with the Facebook, Google, continue with the Vistaprint, whatever you want to continue to, you can continue with that. I'm going to skip this thing option over here, and I'm going to probably go over to the option of plus icon, the icon that you're seeing at the lower in the bottom. You're gonna see this particular thing. Now you need to set the size. You can choose a pre-made templates or pre-made sizes that they have, the animated designs like square video post and all that kind of stuff. You can select a lot of the different sizes over here, but putting the size, you can choose a card. You can choose whatever size of the screen or canvas you want. I'm gonna click over to the set size, and I'm gonna be selecting 2000 by 2000 pixels. You can select in the centimeter or inches or whatever size you want to, and just click over to the create option. Now this is the white canvas. You're gonna see it's 2000 by 2000 pixels. I've taken it as this is the ideal size. Now again, guys, you can select the type of the pattern size the way you want to for your print-on-demand design. So here we are. Now you can have the photos, the text, objects, backgrounds, music, animations, mask, videos. You can bring your own element over here, and you can very well do that. So I'm going to go over to the option, the objects, and we will going to pick up any kind of the object over here. Now you can select for the object. I'm going to probably go with the, let me just keep this over here. So I'm going to go over to the flower as an object, and I'm going to click over to the search. Now you can select the whatever kind of the object you want to set. Like there are the bunch of the different options are there. Now I have selected the flower. Now you can see a lot of the different kinds of the flowers. You can see over here, and you can grab it. Either you can choose the one type of flower for your pattern or different kinds of flowers. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm gonna just make a small size and bring it over here. Okay, now I can have the filters. Now you could see a lot of the options over here. You can remove the background. This is a great thing that the Vistacreate has. Like unless in the Canva, you only are getting to remove the background when you are using their pro version. But in the Vistacreate, you can use the remove background option without going for the pro version of the Vistacreate. You can do in the free version. So that's really a great thing. You can flip it, crop it, animate it, border, transparency, order, lock, whatever you want to do. You can change the filter, and you can see pretty much of the filters over here. I mean, you can choose whatever. What if I just choose this one? No, it's not looking good. I'm gonna keep the original one only. I think I'm happy the way it is, and I'm gonna click over to the remove background. You have to actually log in for using that particular feature. I'm logged in, so I can't use it, but I think I'm happy and satisfied with that. I'm just gonna click over to this option to copy that, and then I'm gonna be arranging them. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it over here. Then I'm gonna again copy it and keep it over here. Again duplicate it, keep it over here. So this is the first flower that I'm going to be used for my pattern. I'm going to be bringing another flower as well. So let's go over back to the object section and bring some other flower over here. So again, we were going to click over to the flower and I'm going to type the search. Now again, you can use a bunch of the different kinds of flowers that you want to use it. You can use the cactus one or all that. I think that I'm going to use the white and the yellow. Of course, I have the option is the or red and all that different kind of option was also there. So, but I'm going to be using this yellow one. And I'm going to be reducing its size. I think this size is apt and I'm going to bring it over here. Let's see how it's looking. It's looking perfect. Then I'm going to duplicate it and I'm going to bring this one over here. Again, I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to bring it over here. Fine. It's looking pretty amazing. Of course, I can do the way I want to. Now I'm going to bring another flower over here. So I'm going to go over to the option and click over to the flower. And we were going to bring another flower. I think I'm going to bring that red and orange one because I really like that. So let's bring that. So I'm going to take this one. I think this one we're going to equate to it. Let's just decrease the size, okay? Keep it over here. Oh, it's quite small. Wait a minute. Let's see how it's looking. It's looking fine. It's looking perfect. So I'm gonna just duplicate it. Reduce the size and I'm gonna keep it over here. Then again duplicate it, bring it over here. Then again duplicate it, bring it over here. Now what you would be thinking what I'm gonna bring over here, okay? So I'm gonna bring the white one. So I'm gonna duplicate this one and I'm gonna keep it over here. Again, I'm gonna duplicate, I'm gonna bring it over here. Again, I'm gonna duplicate and I'm gonna bring it over here. So you get the point, how it's looking. It's looking pretty amazing, these two rows of the patterns. Now I'm gonna be going further and covering the entire white canvas, converting into the entire pattern. So let's do that. Let's do this, guys. So I'm gonna actually duplicate this one. I think I'm gonna keep it over here. Okay. Then I'm gonna duplicate it again. I'm gonna bring it over here, duplicate it again, bring it over here, and voila. Now I'm gonna bring the white, duplicate it, bring it over here, duplicate it. Now you could see the distance between them is not really equal. I mean, here they have the very less distance and here I'm keeping a very big distance because of this particular flower arrangement. But anyways, I'm gonna bring it over here. Let's duplicate it, reduce the normal size, duplicate this one, and I'm gonna keep it over here. So you could see I'm changing a little bit, or I'm gonna keep it over here only. And let's duplicate it again. Let's duplicate. Okay. Now I have to duplicate the white. Okay, this distance, but it actually depends on the size and shape of the flower. These are not having exactly the same shape and shape, but that's okay. I think they are looking pretty fine as long as this pattern is concerned. So here we are. It's looking pretty interesting and pretty amazing. Let me just duplicate the yellow again because we want to repeat our pattern. Now this time I'm going to keep it over here. Again, duplicate it, bring it over here. Okay, so now I need white, duplicate it. Now you can see the distance between the flowers is not really equal, but I think I'm happy with the pattern. Of course you can do and that stuff. And now I have the last layer. So I'm going to duplicate this one. Now I want to duplicate the white, bring it over here. Duplicate it, bring it over here. Duplicate it, bring it over here. Let's take a look at that. Wow, this one is looking perfect. I really love this pattern, isn't it? It's looking so amazing, so beautiful. We have the white, yellow, and pink. Now this one is looking pretty perfect, and I pretty much like this particular pattern. Now of course you need to sign in to actually use and download this particular pattern, so make sure you sign in. If you find this video useful and enjoyable, do let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. And are you looking forward to use the Vistacreate for your designing purpose, for your print on demand, for your projects, online projects, whatever it is? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have any kind of experience using the Vistacreate or are looking forward to use one, I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. And if you want me to make more videos on the Vistacreate, actually exploring more of the options that they are having in the mobile application and also in their desktop version, if you want more such kind of video, also let me in the comment section below. In the next week video, we will going to come across a new designing software, a new designing mobile application for designing purposes, for making a digital artwork and all that. Hopefully you find it useful. I'll gonna see you in the next video topic with a new amazing stuff. And if you're really looking forward to make money online as a creative person, as an artist, as a designer, make sure you check it out on other channel. The link is in description box below. It will going to help you make money online. The link is in description box below. I'll gonna see you in the next week's video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.